have any sense in like literally like whatever the fuck it's called.
So this is veal here?
This is veal.
This is veal. Okay, wow. Obviously we have some cheese here.
Cavallo, I think she said.
Okay, cool. And what is this one?
Octopus salad.
Octopus salad. Wow.
Is very famous
Okay.
in Bari.
Okay.
Because like we had it in a sandwich, we had it in every single form. And yeah, this one is like their specialty or whatever.
Wow, that's crazy. Crazy stuff. So here we are. Take a look at that. Wow. This here is especially really good. This is like a made from oranges, locally grown. Very nice taste. And it has a dark color like this,
So like a little bit.
How on earth
which
do
is
you eat that?
pretty cool.
Yeah, how do you?
It looks like raclette.
It does look like that.
I don't know if there's coming more though, or like if she's even bringing like some.
Okay, then maybe we should
bread.
start.
Yeah, she's bringing more.
There's more? Okay.
Oh boy.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Woo!
No lactose.
Okay.
It's a
Oh,
bufala.
perfect.
This is
Oh,
This
okay.
is bufala and this is mozzarella, no lactose.
There's no lactose. Okay, great. I'm lactose intolerant, that's why.
This is the cheese I want.
It's a chuncata cheese, mozzarella cheese and burrata. Inside there is a cream.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, I like burrata a lot.
Perfect.
Madam, you put this jacket.
Yeah.
Madonna mia.
Is okay?
Open it here.
There's two little spaces in
It's a
this.
salmon without no lactose.
No lactose, no pork.
Oh, wow. Look at that. That
looks amazing.
delicious. Oh my god. Look at that. Woo. Okay,
Okay,
let's dine. Let's do this.
Let's dine.
I need to get a shot of this. This looks fucking good.
Yeah, okay.
This looks blank good.
Yeah.
We're demonetizing your video. We're not the best people to hang out
No, it's all good. Everyone's taking photos. There's photos being taken of people taking photos. It's very it's very postmodern.
This looks wild.
Yeah. That's so cool.
This is an antipasti.
This is what I wanted.
Okay,
Like,
this is a classic antipasta. Amazing.